Hey y'all, hey, I'm Shay. Welcome back to my channel. And today we will be putting together the kids' cute little Valentine's baskets. So stay tuned. This is how we got our Valentine's Day baskets. Everything was purchased at the dollar store. So if you're on a budget and you cannot buy your kids stuff for the holidays, go to the dollar store, okay? Everything was at the dollar store for like $1, $1.25, $1.50. Y'all know they're getting a little pricey nowadays, but even the baskets came from the Dollar Tree. So yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. See y'all in my next video. Bye.